Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to find your routing number on the Fifth Third app. So open your Fifth Third app mobile app, and once you're logged in, go to the home screen where you can see your account details. Next, select the account for which you need routing number. So this could be your checking or savings account, and these are the routing numbers for every region the bank has an app on. Bank has a branch. So once you're inside the account details, just scroll down and in the account information section, you'll find your routing number listed along with your account number. Now your routing number will be a 9-digit code like this. If you're still unsure, you can always find this number on your checks or contact support or call this number to verify the routing number. And that's it. So you can do it via the app or just go to this link here. And if you are in Georgia, the routing number will be this. So depending on your state, the routing number will vary. So make sure you have the correct one, and you can always find it on the app or not. If not, you can just contact them at this number to find the right routing number.